continuing doing my 100 algorithm challenge by the end of the year. Um, I just started actually streaming to see on Facebook. So if anyone, uh, yeah, okay, sorry, got mail. Um, so where was I? So I'm continue doing the 100 algorithm challenge. This is day 5. Uh, I'm trying to do 100 algorithms by the new year. My goal isn't really to do 100 algorithms. My goal is basically to uh, to do to improve as a programmer, to get better at algorithms, to get better at the coding quiz, um, and that's basically it. If you, I think on the um, on the description, it kind of explains a little more. I'm going to be using a lot of different things. I'm going to be using, right now I have Code Wars, but I'm going to be using, uh, let me put my music. What is this? Give me 1 second. Probably should have had this set up before, but, um, so, so yeah, I'm going to be using Code Wars. I'm going to be using, um, so I purchased a course on Udemy. Um, and the course is by Dylan Israel. You should check his channel out. Um, but the things that are on the course, you could get it from the GitHub. So you don't really need to purchase the course. The only thing about the course that's good is you get videos of him kind of explaining some stuff. So what I usually do is I do the algorithm and I kind of see how he does it, and then I kind of compare how I do it and then improve there. Uh, okay. So let me let me get started. Uh, I'm trying to improve my thumbnail too. Like, I'm trying to make the thumbnails, but I don't really like spending too much time on Photoshop. Even though I kind of could. Uh, but the ones I'm coming out right now are kind of cheesy. They're not like terrible, but since I don't really like to spend the time on them, I don't really make them too good. Okay, so um, okay, let me make sure my volume is good. So let's start. So let me find. I like to warm up with Code Wars. Uh, I'm gonna do TypeScript, JavaScript, and TypeScript today. I'm getting better at TypeScript. Okay, so I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do. Let's see. So um, if you guys don't know, this is Code Wars, and Code Wars. It's kind of really good. Like after you kind of get done with a lot of beginner ones, popularity, or positive feedback. I like positive feedback. So I've done a lot of the 8Q. So I might have to just start doing 7Q. And my goal for Code Wars is kind of to get to 4Q by next year. But I'm not really focused on this 100%. So uh, it's it's not it's not super necessary. Ternary operators, can we divide it? Let's see. Triple trouble. And if anyone has suggestions for like warm up algorithms, you could let me know, and I'll do them as well. Uh, Also, I know if you guys actually go to HackerRank, they have good algorithms too for interviews. The only reason I don't like to do those is because I don't really like to work with HackerRank. I like to work with Code Wars. It's kind of I just like how it works, and I could use my I use VS Code, and I could use VS Code to kind of put in the code. In magic true for all. Okay, let's do this one. So let's read it first. Let's actually see if we want to do it. Create a method all which takes an array and predicts predicate function that returns true. If the predicate returns true for every element, really should return false. Okay, so I think this is easy. This doesn't seem too hard. Okay. So if you guys want to see, I am. Okay. I don't think it's working for Facebook, but I don't care about that too much. What was I doing? Let me see. Let me see. I'm starting to learn Jira too. If anyone is trying to get a job, you're gonna see Jira all the time. I see it all the time, and I always get asked, "Oh, do you know Jira? Do you know Jira?" And I have to say no because I don't know Jira. But today I downloaded it and I was starting to learn it. So now I could say, when they ask me, "Do I know Jira?" I could say, "I know it a little bit." Okay. So what was I doing? Okay. Let me. Okay. So let's start with this one. So and I'm gonna enable ghost text and I'm gonna enable Polka. So if you wanna follow along, I'm gonna do it for anyone that's new to the channel. But I might have it in the description. If I don't have it in the description, I'm gonna change that. But so this is Code Wars. But if you want to get Code Wars to work with your with your um with your editor. So this is VS Code, but you could do it for Sublime Code. Actually, I think it works better with Sublime Code. So I installed an extension called Ghost Text. So right now I already have it installed, and you could just enable it. So what's gonna happen is, okay, it says Ghost Text enabled. So I'm gonna go back to Code Wars, and I have to make it. Okay. So I have the extension here as well. So I click here, and then I click where I want. So it's looking for a text area. So if I click here, it's going to capture this. But if I click here, it's going to capture this as well. So you just click wherever you want. So I click this. What's going to happen, everything here is going to go into my VS Code. So, okay, so now I have VS Code. So the only thing there's a glitch, or I have a glitch on mine. You might not have it yours. I didn't have it when I was using Sublime Text. So right now, the glitch is when I go here, like when I try to type it, see how it kind of like flips out and kind of like it deletes the digit. So all I do is I get a new file. So it's this code war file. Could be any file. So I just click here and now it starts working. So anything I type here, so let's delete this. This is typed in VS Code, and then let's go back, and then I can also let's do one more thing. Let's install Quokka. So Quokka, the reason I do Quokka, so this is Quokka here. So the reason I do Quokka, okay, so start Quokka on here. So now I have Quokka. Let me do one more thing. Let me make this big. Let me switch this to Babel. Okay, this is typed in VS Code, and let me just do console.log. Why does this return? Console.log. Console. This is kind of just a test Quokka. So console.log. What's called Quokka again? I forget. Oh yeah, Quokka test. Okay. So let me see. So let me see. Quokka test. How do I do it again? Oh no. I did this incorrectly. So I console.log the function. 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 Oh no, I did it wrong again. Okay. So all. So I call the function, and then I'm gonna console. This is just a test. Or I can just return it. Return. This is VS Code. Okay. Return this is VS Code. Okay, that's all. Okay, not log. We just test Boca. Yeah. Oh no, I know what I can do. Return R. Yeah, let's just do that. So no. Sorry, I'm just trying to remember how to do this. Okay. Okay. Now, I think if I just do all dot log, no, all. Okay. And then I pass in this is VS Code. Why doesn't it show up? Hey, what's going on? How's everything? Do you live in the East Coast? It's early. I'm just trying to get this to work. Function all are fun. Okay. Yeah, it's early. I think I live in Eastern time. I think Chicago is Central maybe. So okay, let me see. Okay, so the reason it wasn't working for me is because I didn't have Quokka running. So you could see here. Oh yeah, um, yeah, that but that I don't think that was my problem here. My problem, like I know what you're saying, um, but my problem was trying to get it to run here. Like you see how it's like showing up here. I'm kind of just trying to get it to run here so I could see what's running. My problem was I didn't start it because like right now I'm using something called Cloaca to kind of just run it so I could kind of see like so I could see the code. But right now, okay, right now, okay, so let's start with this one. Okay. So, okay, so now I have Quokka and Ghost text set up. So anything that I type in VS Code should show up here. So right now, I am going to let me read it again. Create a method all which takes an array. Okay, takes an array and a predicate function pointer and returns true if the predicate returns true for every element in the array. Okay, otherwise it should return false. Okay, okay, I think I get it. I have a JavaScript, create a method all, which takes an array and predicate pointer and returns true if the predicate returns true. Okay, so Okay, I think let me put this here. Let me put this here. So I'm just copying this so I could console.log it. So okay, I have here, and this is kind of here. This is here. Let me see. Let me just make sure I have this correct. I don't need this extra one. Okay. 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 Let me just see one more thing. Return R. Okay. I'm gonna console.log this. Okay. R. Okay. And console.log return R. Can I do that? No, I don't think so. Return R. Okay. So I could start. So oh um and let me see if I can update that. That's because I try to play I thought I updated that. Thanks for letting me know. Sometimes sometimes it gives me problems. Okay, let me fix that. I thought I deleted that too. Okay. Oh, cause it's oh, I did delete it, but I didn't update to something else. It's probably not gonna update, but I switched it to science and technology. Uh, actually, I don't know if you could just refresh and just let me know if it switched to science and technology. I switched it here, but I don't know. I don't know if you go live with the game. I don't think it lets you switch. If you get a chance, if you could let me know. Uh, yeah, but it said Final Fantasy because sometimes I play Final Fantasy, but I haven't. Oh, it worked. Nice, nice, nice. I'm trying to I'm trying to work on getting my channel better, but getting my channel better and also learning. Oh, thanks for letting me know. I appreciate it. Uh, okay, so let's start this. So what I'm gonna have to do, okay, what I have to do, create, let's just return false. Create a method all which takes an array and predicate. Okay, so what I have to do is what's in this array, each one I have to call it. I have to call it everything in this array, and then I have to just make sure it passes this test or this expression or create a method all which takes an array and predicate pointer and return true. The predicate returns true for every and okay, otherwise it should return false. If the array is empty, it should return true since okay. So I have two things. But let me deal with this first and then I'll deal with if the array is empty. Actually I might have to go to the bathroom. I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick actually. But I'll probably be back in like a few minutes. Taking a bathroom break. Be right back. Okay. Um, okay, so this shouldn't be hard. I got stuff in the mail. Let's see what I got. It. Okay. Okay. So I got fish oil. Yeah, this is actually good fish oil. If you guys are interested, from Nootropics Depot, very good company. Maybe I'll put a link in the description to how you could buy it. Um, that company I've been buying for a long time, and they have the highest quality for anything. So like they're the only ones I kind of trust. Is the mic on? Okay. Yeah. They always test everything. Like whenever you buy fish oil, sometimes it could contain stuff that you don't want. So also fish oil is good for your mind. So fish oil and Nootropics Depot. I'm gonna actually put it in my description. I guess I'll do that later. But I'll probably put it in the description somehow so you could buy it. Okay, but let's get back to this. So, I think I could get the array, and I think I could just do every, and then pass this function. But I'm just gonna look at the every. Let me see, JavaScript every function. Let me see. Okay, so okay, yeah, I could definitely do this. Okay. So let me look how this works. Every method, okay. Ages, okay, ages. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is r dot every, and then r dot every. Mm, I think this might work. So what I'm doing, let's go back to Code Wars. Okay. Okay. R dot every function. Let me see, return R dot, okay. So let me do some. Okay, so I think this should work. So v function on. Yeah, this should work. I think even if I run this, let me see. It should pass everything. It might not pass the array one, but let me check something really quick. Let me see. If I return R, is R true? Is that true? Let me see. Okay. R dot every fun. Okay, that should work. Let me get the second test case. Let me see. No. I need all, and I need from here, and I need the console. Actually, what I could do is I could copy all of this, and I could just replace this with console.log. Okay. Oh no, I'm missing one thing here. Okay. So this works. It seems to solve it. So what's going on here? The array. So it's going through the array and it's doing every single function. So it's doing 1 v, and then it's returning is v less than 9, and it's gonna go through all of them, and if they all pass, it's true, and if one of them fails, it's false. Okay. So it seems like I understand that. The only thing is this should work, and if the array is empty, it should return true. Okay, if the array is empty, it should return true. Let me see what happens when my array is empty. If my array is empty, so I'm always gonna have an array. Okay, so it returns true. Okay, it returns true. So this works. Um, I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. So this is the test that they're doing. This is the two first ones from Code Wars, and this is the last one for the array. So you can see on the bottom it says true, false, true. That should work. This is okay. And I think this is fine for this should be fine. Let me format it. No, let me delete all these. Oh wait. Let me delete all these compos. Let me format it, and this should work. This should work. I'm just trying to see how to make it slightly better. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use ex6 and I'm gonna use an arrow function. You don't really have to, but uh, turn. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get rid of the curly braces. I'm gonna put it on one line, and let's see if this is better. If this is better, I don't need this. And I don't think I need this either. I don't think I need function. I think I could do this. Well, yeah, I think I could do. If I unexpected token. Okay, let's just see how. Let's see ES6 really quick. Let me understand it better. Arrow functions, JavaScript. Okay, let's see. JavaScript alpha, how and why when not to use. Okay. Hmm, okay. Concept contest. think I think I have to do, and from what it seems like here, const get first equals array. Okay, let me see. Const equals const equals mm, const equals all. Okay, so let's see if this works. I'm using ES6, so it's kind of slightly better. Let me see. 1 second. Code Wars. Let's run this. It should run. Let me attempt. So I'm 247 right now in Code Wars. Let's add. Okay, everything passed. 249. Okay. So I did that. I learned how to use every. Oh, actually, mine is nicer than his. So, this is exactly what I had before. Let's see. Let's see everyone's. This is almost like mine. Where is mine? And then my solution. I think my solution is the most simple. Oh no, they had other people with the same solution. Okay, show variation. Okay. Okay, yeah, this had other people with my solution. Okay, so we did that. Let's see where we're at in Code Wars. Okay, I'm almost there. I probably need like a few more. And I'm going to, let me see. I might switch to TypeScript because I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this, even though the ones on Code Wars are kind of fun. And I'm also going to try to get an algorithm counter. I don't know where I'm going to put it. Like right now I'm up to, the number doesn't really matter. It just matters if I learn. But I think it's fun to have a number. So right now I'm at like, if I look at my algorithms for here, so this is my code or algorithms. This is my 100 algorithm challenge one. For the 100 algorithm challenge, I'm up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, and then today I did 1, so 7. I think I'm at like 10 algorithms around. I'll try to get an exact number and then I'll get a counter somewhere. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But somewhere I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna switch to TypeScript. So what I do for TypeScript, and if you guys want to do it, these are in alphabetical order. They're not exactly like level of difficulty. So I'm going to pick one here. I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna spend some time. I don't know how much time I'm gonna spend. Oh, if you guys click on my link, you could actually get all these algorithms. And if you need help, you could there's a Udemy course that you could buy that helps you with this. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna get a banana really quick, and then I'll come back. So I'm gonna pick a TypeScript algorithm. I gotta see which one. I'm not trying to pick a crazy level one. I'm gonna pick an easy one, and then I'll start trying to get harder as I keep doing it. So increasing sequence are similar. So let's do this. Are similar. Let me read. Two arrays are called similar if one can be obtained from another by swapping at most one pair of elements. That isn't hard, but let's see. Given an array of 2k integers, yeah. Let me see. Anything with money I like to do, but I kind of don't want to spend too much time doing it. If anyone's following my channel, I'm probably gonna work on my portfolio today. I'm also gonna work on React. So if you're interested in React, I'm gonna be doing that today. I have a project. It's a one map project I'm actually stuck on. Domain type. Oh, this is good. All these are pretty good. First duplicate. Find closest pair. These are all good. Some of these I've done. Huh. Some of these I've done. I've done big. Reflect string. Reverse the string. Okay. I'm gonna do this. And why I'm gonna do this? Because it's easy. And I could just get it done. Also, it's TypeScript. I'm still getting used to TypeScript. Okay. So reverse the string. Can I just do reverse? So let me read this. So reverse the string. Okay. So okay, let me run Cloak on this. Start on current file. Okay. Okay. Let me read what it says. After I do these easy ones, eventually I can't do them anymore. You need to turn the array into array before you can. You need to turn the string into an array before you can reverse it. Okay, yeah. So, I'm going to reverse a string. Okay. Reverse a string. Return string. Return string. Oh no, return string. Okay. Compile wrong. Return str string. Okay. Let me see if I need cloak. Start on file. Okay. These are actually extra features of Coca. I think for TypeScript, it just kind of shows up right here. So I have to reverse the string. I know I could do a for loop and then just get the index so I could split it. So I'm gonna get it. This is the answer that I have off the top of my head. I can split it. Oh no, so let me split it. So right split, yeah. So I have a string. I'm gonna make it into array. So if I do split, and then if I split them by spaces, okay, so now you can see that I have them here split. So if I have this string, if I do a for loop for not for for uh, for I just kind of wanted it to type it for me. For yep, okay. So if I do it, uh, length, uh, so if I start the index at array dot length -1. Okay. If I do this, if I do this, if I do this for return. So okay. Const element. Let me see if I could console.log this. I probably can't. Console.log. Let's console.log this. Let's not return this. Let's just console.log. Console.log. Okay. So you could see how this is super useful. Let me fix it a little bit. Format. Okay, I guess I can't fix it. So array is not defined. Okay. So you see here how it's split. That's super useful. So array that's split. So what I have to do, let split array, split array, or split string, split, okay, split array. So we're gonna do this. So this is so we could loop it. Index. I probably have to change this. So let index. Okay. Split array -1. It's gonna be minus. So it's because it's gonna go backwards, and then index. If index is index is gonna start at, so for example, it starts at 10. Index less than, okay. Index is less than array dot length. Index is less than array dot length. So if I'm doing it backwards, it could be index is greater than array dot length. But let me kind of think that out. Okay. Let me just put this. So split array, constant.log, split array. So And what did I do incorrectly here? Is there a real what? That's fine. Right now I don't want this. I just wanna output. Howdy. Return. Let's see. Return. Okay. Let's see if I did this. So let me see if I'm reading this correctly. So let's just console.log split array dot length minus 1. No, minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me just check something. Split array. Okay. Wow, it gives me this. This is nice. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. So then, okay. So this should work. Array dot length minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. 4. Okay. So that's correct. Okay. So it's gonna go through this. If index is less than if index okay, if index so my index is gonna go from 5 no my index is gonna go from 4 3 2 1 4 4. Okay, this is incorrect. Yeah, okay, yeah, I had to think about this. If index is greater than if index is greater than um or equal to 0. So if it's less than, it doesn't run. Greater than or equal to 0. Because if it's greater than uh if index is greater than or equal to 0? No. Let me check something really quick. JavaScript greater than or equal to. Yep, okay, that's correct. Greater than or equal to let index split array minus 1. So this is 4. So 4. So 4 if 4 is greater than or equal to 0, run this. Okay. I'm gonna make a new array. Let result equal an array. And I think there's easier ways to split, but going back, I'm definitely learning from this. I gotta get quicker at this too because this is a very simple one, but this is like the only way I'm gonna get better. Okay, so let's push. Let's do this. Let's result dot push. Okay, we're gonna push this into the result, and then let's return result. Result dot push. Let's return result. Okay. Now we're gonna return result dot join. Result dot join. Okay, result dot join, and let me just check type of. So this should give me the answer. Type of. Okay. Okay. So it's a string. This should work. Let's see things I could fix. Input. I'm not gonna name string, so things I could fix. Okay, this should work. I'm gonna check this, and I'm actually gonna check the video to see what I could do correctly, like what he does different than me. Udemy. Okay. Let me fix it. Let me format it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So this should work. This should be it. Let's see things that I could fix, and then after I figure out things that I could fix, split array, split, split. Split word. I'm not gonna name these array. Why am I? Wait, yeah. Wait. The reason I'm not gonna name these array is because in TypeScript you could just name them array. So like for example, I could just do. Let me just try to remember again. So TypeScript. If I do this and I do this. Let me just check. Really quick. TypeScript defining an array. Okay, TypeScript array and TypeScript. Okay. So I could do it two different ways. I could do one way. I could do, so I'm gonna just do it to show you and do it so I could kind of learn. So if I do string, my array contains string. Also, I could do array, and I could do string. So I could do these two. So this is element type. Okay. I prefer to do the other way, and I kind of see the other way done more. String, array. Okay. Array, split word. Okay. So now I have this. And the reason I see like split word, I don't have to like call it array. I just call it split word. And then if you check here, you see it's an array, string array. So that kind of helps it. I'm just gonna call this word, just word. Word is a string, and then I have to change word here. String dot split word result. This isn't reverse string, but this is reversed word, and reverse word is a string array. Technically, it isn't a string array. Okay, so reverse word is a string array. Let me see. So I'm gonna put this reverse word result dot join. Okay, so this should work. This should be good. Let me format it again. I'm gonna check for any fixes. Okay, so it reverses it. You could check it here. So this is what I could do off the top of my head. I didn't really look anything up. The only thing I looked up was TypeScript stuff, which I kind of knew already. So now I'm gonna look at the video and just compare it to compare his result to my result. I think I have the video in the description. And let me see. And I'm gonna open my fish oil. If you guys are into health, fish oil is really good for you. I'm trying to take a lot of them because my leg's better, but I hurt my leg, so I heard fish oil helps. Oh, you could just do reverse. So I thought so. I don't think this one's too bad. I don't think it smells. Actually, this one does smell a little bit. It's not doesn't smell too bad though. One second. So there's a different way to do this. The way I'm seeing him do it, which is kind of good just to see, but I think my way is quicker. I think so. My way is a little quicker. There's another way you could do string. string dot split string dot split string dot split string dot split dot reverse string dot split dot reverse dot join. So you could do this, but I think my way is a little quicker. So if I just return, if I just so if I do this, copy, do this, word, return word dot split. So this one gives me an answer too, but from what I'm seeing in the video, I think my way is a little quicker. Let me see. Yeah, it's exactly what I. Oh, okay. Okay, he has a different solution too. That's quick. So another way that he's doing it, you could do reverse. So you could do this, but this way is a little slower. There's also, you could do reverse word plus equals. Hmm, hmm, I'm trying to see something like, how do console.log word here. Oh, I could do this. I didn't know I could do this. Word dot length. Oh, okay. So all this that I did, okay, so mine works, but all this that I did is probably too much. But I didn't know you could just get the get the index of a string. I thought you could only get the index of an array. So all this that I did, you don't really need. You could just do. I'm gonna erase a lot of stuff that I did. So I could just get reverse word string and reverse word string. So I could just get this. I could just do reverse word. Yeah, reverse word. Oh no. So I could just do word dot length, word. So I didn't know I could do this, so this is quicker. So, and then I could just do reverse. So I have a string, so I'm going to build a new string. Reverse word, reverse word, plus equal to word, 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 word index. Okay, so this works too. So I basically did 3 ways. I think this way is the quickest. Let me return reverse word, and I think I did it somewhat clean. Okay. Empty string? I don't know, did I do hmm, let me see if I did something wrong. Word, word. Oh no, this is index. Why did I do that? Index, index. Oh, also incorrect. Index, index, index. Okay, so this is here. This works. You can see the answers. So there's 3 ways that I did it. This might be the best way. So things that I learned. I learned there's a reverse method. I learned improved my going backwards in a string. Also, I learned that you could get an array of a string, which I didn't know. Do I need to do anything else? Okay, that's it. I'm gonna be done with this video. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing algorithms. I'm probably gonna do either React or work on my portfolio. So if you're interested, I'm gonna be doing that today. Let's see. If you guys are starting web development, I have good sources in my description, so you could click that. There's a few ones where let me actually look at my description really quick. There's okay. So if you want to do the algorithm challenge, I have the GitHub repository, so you could get exactly what I have here. Also, I have, if you're new to web development, there's good introduction HTML, CSS, and JavaScript books. These books are pretty good. Actually, I'll open them here so you could kind of see. Let me see. So this is one of them. This is pretty good if you're starting. I remember when I first started, I looked at all these books and they helped me so much, because sometimes in the beginning web development is a little confusing. There's also PHP books, which I'm trying to get better at PHP, so I always look at these too. Let me click that. Actually, I don't even think I'm showing you. I don't think if I wasn't showing you because I didn't click. I have to click another. There we go. So this is the HTML. This is in my description. These are actually affiliate links, so I get a small percentage if you buy it, but you don't have to buy it. It's just a good resource. I know it helped me. Also, I have ones for PHP. This is good too. And this is really good. This book isn't as visual as the other one, but I found it really good. The explanations are really good. He also has HTML books, and the HTML ones are good, but maybe initially start with the other ones. And what else books do I have? This is a book that I've currently found. This is PHP. I'm actually not going to show you any PHP stuff because I didn't do any PHP stuff here. But oh, actually, one of my links is not correct. And I'll show you the React and Redux one. This book is good. And this book here, if you're learning React, I'm gonna do React today. This book is as visual as the other one, so if you're just starting React, you could. This book it's a good introduction. And if you like this video, let me know. If you didn't like it, also let me know. If you have suggestions for it, let me know as well. and if you want to keep watching the video, you can subscribe. And I'm gonna be done. If you have any goals in web development, good luck. I hope this video motivated you, helped you in some way. I know it helped me. And I'm gonna keep going. Good luck. Check out my description. There's a lot of good resources. Check out the algorithm challenge. You should, if you're trying to get a web development job or coding job, it's good for the coding interviews. And what else? Then, if you're trying to get smarter, buy fish oil, or don't buy it. I'm actually gonna put this in the description too, if you're interested. And I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna be doing React and stuff like that. Okay, good luck, take care, and good luck with your goals.